How you can fix if APK files on your device are not installing. 4 ways to fix APK file not installing on Android. What's up everyone? So the first method is a very simple one. You just have to make sure that you have enough storage on your device. To do that, just open your phone, and then from here you can just open your settings. Then go ahead and go on tap on device care and check your storage here. As you can see, I have plenty of storage left here. So you just check if you have enough storage or not. So the second thing that you want to do is head over to your settings once again, and then enable the unknown sources. So just go to privacy and security. So once you're on security manager, tap on more security settings. Then you will see an option for that's called install unknown apps. Make sure that these apps allow you to install unknown apps like your Google Chrome, your file manager, your files, and other things if you have it on the list. And this is the second method. Third method also involves your phone settings. So what you have to do is scroll down until you find your app settings. So just open your apps, then tap on this list icon to show all the system apps. Then tap on OK. And then you want to search for package installer. So you just open the package installer here, head over to its storage, and make sure to clear cache and clear data. By doing this, you will refresh your package installer and you should be able to install your APK files. And finally, the last method is you will have to go ahead and open your Play Store for that. Then tap on your profile, and from here tap on Play Protect. You just want to turn off your Google Play Protect. You see this little wheel icon on the top right screen, it's for the settings. So you just want to turn off the first option. It will turn off the app scanning and Play Protect will no longer be enabled. By doing this, you will have to first verify yourself, and then you should be able to install APK files without any problem. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.